Good morning, kids! Do you want to see a science magic? We're going to do it now. We need this container, baking soda, 1 spoon of baking soda, pour it into this jar, and a separate container. We need food coloring. Can you count 1 to 3? 1, 2, 3, and a vinegar. Let's pour it into this container. Swirl it. And we're going to pour it in this container. Can you count 1 to 5? Let's start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Magic! Let's clap our hands. Yes, it's science magic.